Welcome children to the maths period, maths lecture, and we have started lesson number 11, circle. Practice set 42 we are doing. First sum I gave you people, two sums I have done and remaining I gave you as homework. Now the second sum of practice set 42, in which I'll read the question for you. The question is, if the circumference of circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. Now even if we have done the sum on online, I will again show you on the board. So only circumference is given as 176 centimeter, right? Now we have to find radius. Now you know the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. So I'll write that first. C is equal to 2 pi r, where r stands for radius and C stands for circumference. Now children, we know what is circumference, 176. So instead of C I will write 176 here, then is equal, below is equal to comes, below 2 I will write 2 multiplied by the value of pi, as I have told you, always you have to take as 22 upon 7. So pi I will take as 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Now r we don't know, so I will write r as it is. Okay. Now in our maths, you know, if is equal to there is there in between, you can cross multiply the numbers. So here both which cross multiplication will come, it will come as 2 multiplied by 22 into r is equal to 176 into 7. So this 2 into 22 goes to denominator. So r is equal to 176 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 22. This way you get the sum. Now if you do the cancellations, you get here answer as, now 2 you can cancel here by this. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Correct children? Then 22 and 88 can be cancelled. 22 1s are 22 4s are. Right? Now only 4 and 7 is remaining here. So you get answer 7 4s are 28 centimeter. So therefore radius of circle small r is equal to 28 centimeter. Take down the sum children. Very simple it is. Okay, now we'll move on to the third sum. Third sum. See the question in the book. Third sum I'll solve for you. Then fourth sum you can do as homework. Okay? It is simple. I'll explain. See the third sum in the book. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of ₹40 rupees per meter? Means there is a garden which is circular in shape and its radius is given as 56 meter. From this you have to find out that to that garden you have to put 4 round of fence. Fence means the security covering which is there over the side. So 4 rounds, not one single round, there are 4 rounds and the rate is 40 rupees per meter. So what will be the total cost? So to find the total cost, first we will have to find the circumference of the circular garden. So let us begin. First we will write whatever is given, radius of circular garden, r, small r is equal to 56 meter. Okay, from this radius we will find the circumference. So therefore circumference small c is equal to 2 pi r. I have used 2 pi r because r is given to us. Okay. So which equals 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is 56. 56. Now 7 ones are 7, 8s are 56. So your calculation is now 2 into 2, 22 into 8. This will be how much? This becomes 44. 22 into 2 is 44 and 44 into 8, 8 4s are 32. 352 meters. Is it right, children? 352 meter is the circumference of the circular garden. Now, circumference of means one time the round fence. The one circumference is one times the round. How many rounds you have to put? 4 rounds. So total length will be how much? We will multiply by 4. Therefore, total length of wire needed for 4 rounds is equal to 4 multiplied by 352. 352 is only one round, so we have to multiply by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 3s are 12 and 2, 14 meters. 1408 meters long. Okay. Now, the cost of wire is 40 rupees per meter. Now you have to find the cost of this much length of the wire. So therefore, total cost of wire at 40 rupees per meter is equal to 1408 multiplied by 40. So this gives me answer as rupees 56,320. How much is the cost now? 56,320. So total cost for the fencing of the circular garden is rupees 56,320. So take down the sum. Very simple sum it is. 4 here is multiplied for the 4 rounds and 40 is multiplied as the rate is given as 40 rupees. So next sum, fourth one. Okay, let us do the fourth sum also. I will do for you. Fourth one. See the question in the book. The wheel of a bullock cart has diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? Now they have given us diameter of wheel. Now what is the shape of the wheel first of all? Wheel is always circular in shape. Its diameter is given as 1.4 meter. And it is traveling a distance of 1.1 kilometer. So how many times the wheel is rotating, that we have to tell. So first we will write down the things that are given. First I will write diameter of the wheel. Diameter of wheel. D is equal to, diameter is given 1.4 meter. Okay. So I'll find the circumference first. So therefore circumference small c is equal to, now here I'll use the formula pi d because d is given to me, right? So I'll use the formula pi d, circumference is equal to pi d. Two formulas are there for circumference, one is pi d and another one is 2 pi r. So here d is given, so I'll use pi d. So this gives me answer, pi is 22 upon 7 and d is 1.4 meter. Now decimal point is there, so I'll remove the decimal point. How will I remove the decimal point? 22 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 10 will remove the decimal point. So cancellation can be done. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 here can be cancelled. Then or instead of that what this gives me answer 44 upon 10, which gives me answer 4.4 meter. 4.4 meter. So circumference comes to be as 4.4 meter. Now what is to be done? Now distance covered we have to find. So distance covered in one rotation is the circumference of the wheel. Means one time the wheel rotates, the complete one circumference is one rotation. So the distance upon the circumference will give us the number of rotations. So we'll write therefore number of rotations is equal to circumference distance traveled, it will be distance upon circumference. Distance traveled upon circumference. This gives me answer. Distance traveled is 1.1 kilometer upon 4.4 meter. Now children, here two units are different. One is kilometer, another one is meter. So you have to convert the higher one into the lower, that is meter. Okay. So kilometer is to be converted into meter, means you have to multiply by 1000. So this gives me answer 1.1 into 1000 upon 4.4, which after calculation gives me answer 250. So 250 rotations are done. This calculation you can do later on. 1.1 you multiply by 1000, you get 1100. 1100 divided by 4.4 you can do. Okay. So this gives you answer as 250 rotations. Means the wheels of the bullock cart, they rotate 250 times in 1.1 kilometer if the diameter of the wheel is 1.4 meter. So this is the answer. Take down. So by this we complete practice set 42, and the next, that is arc of circle, we will learn in our next lecture. Have fun. Thank you.